Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan. So today I'm going to surprise my wife with crab masala. Crab is her favorite, and whenever we get crabs at home, she makes it in her style. But today I would like to give it a try and surprise her with this crab masala. So stick till the end while I break down this recipe in my style. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's dive into a delicious crab masala. So to begin with, what I do is I usually wash the crab nicely, removing all the dirt from the crab. So here I have around 5 to 6 medium sized crab pieces. Now usually what I do is I ask the fisher guy to leave the body intact, but this time I forgot. No problem though, we can still make a wonderful crab masala out of this. Now as you can see, this is the body. What I do is I remove these legs. Okay, if you can see, there are 4 legs on each side. So I remove this leg and I keep it aside to make a puree out of it. Okay, not the pincers, only the leg. Alright, and once that's done, we will wash the crab nicely. We'll rinse it in a running water so that we get rid of all the dirt like this. And now let's season it with salt and turmeric powder. This simple seasoning will bring out the best in our crabs. And once this is done, we'll start preparing the crab masala. So for the masala, what I do is first I dry roast all the spices. So here I have 1 to 2 teaspoon of coriander seeds, half teaspoon of peppercorns, 3 cloves, 1-inch cinnamon stick, and around half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now here I've kept the flame low and I'll keep tossing the spices so that they don't burn. We just need to make them slightly brown just to enhance the flavor. Here I'm adding in 4 Kashmiri chilies. Now if you've seen all my previous videos, I always deseed the Kashmiri chilies or the green chilies as well, because I don't make the food spicy. But if you want it spicy, you can keep the seeds on, or you can also use the spicy chilies. Okay, we'll just toss it nicely. As you can see, it's brown. Okay, at this stage I will just turn off the flame. And now I will empty this dried spices into the mixer jar. And now in the same pan, I will heat around 1 teaspoon of oil, in which I'll be adding in 1 medium sized onion that's sliced. I'll just give it a toss. The flame is on high. Just make sure that you don't turn the onion brown, because we have to add in half cup of wet grated coconut. You can also use the dry grated coconut. Here I'll be adding in 4 garlic cloves and 1-inch ginger. Now keeping the flame on medium, I will roast these ingredients until the grated coconut turns brown. Now we'll keep roasting it until the color changes to a golden brown. Okay, you will see the coconut starts getting brown, and that's when you can turn off the flame, and then it's ready to go in the mixer. And now adding some cold water in this, we will grind this into a smooth paste. Now just because of my daughter, I didn't make this masala spicy, but trust me, this crab masala tastes delicious when it's spicy. So if you like spicy food, you can just keep the seeds on the Kashmiri chili, or you can use the spicy chili. And now this is the last step where I'll fry the masala. Now in a pot, I will add around 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil, in which goes in 1 medium sized onion. I just roughly chop the onion. Now we just need to fry this onion until it's translucent. And now along with this, I will also be adding in some curry leaves. So here goes in fresh curry leaves. Don't turn the onions brown. We just need the slight sweetness of the onion in the masala. Okay, so the crab masala will taste good when a blend of sweetness and the spicy taste of the masala goes in together. And now here I'll be adding in 1 medium sized tomato, which I've finely chopped just for the tanginess. I'll add in salt and we will just fry this for around 1 to 2 minutes until the tomato turns soft. Now all this while during this process I have kept the flame medium to high. Okay, so I am just stirring this continuously so that it doesn't burn. Okay, now as you can see the tomato is turning soft. Okay, and I am keeping on stirring this so that if you can see the masala or the onion is sticking at the bottom, so that's the reason I just keep on moving the ladle. And now we will add in our masala. Okay, so here goes in the masala. Now we'll fry this masala well on medium flame, just mixing it well. Now I'll also be adding water to this little by little. Now adding some water in the mixer jar, we took off all the masala and we added the same water in our pot. Now I'll put the flame on high and we'll let this come to a boil. If you see that the masala is getting dried up, you can keep adding water and just keep the consistency thick gravy. And at the meanwhile, since this is boiling, okay, I will puree these legs of the crabs which I mentioned earlier. So all these legs go into the mixer jar and we will make a puree out of it. We'll strain this, okay, to remove the hard crystal part. Okay, and we will get all this puree into a bowl. Now this will add to the thickness of the gravy and also it will enhance our crab masala. It will taste amazing. As you can see, the masala has come to a boil. Now at this stage we will add our seasoned crabs. Okay, so we'll add the crabs and we'll let the crabs cook in this masala so that the masala seeps into the crab and the meat. And at this stage, your kitchen will start smelling of this crab masala. And now goes in the puree that we made. Look at this thick puree. It's all meat from the legs of the crabs. So goes in the pot and now we'll mix it well. And that's it. Our crab masala is almost ready. Now you just need to simmer this for around 10 to 15 minutes on low flame. Alright, and now we will cover this with a lid and let it simmer. Now this is exactly the way my wife makes it. Okay, but I'm not sure about the taste. That only my wife will let you know how the taste is. So let it simmer, okay, and your crab masala is ready. Now the best combination that I like about this crab masala is to eat with a nice boiled rice or with the rice bhakri. And if you've made it spicy, you will just love it with rice or rice bhakri. Look at this. Our crab masala is ready. Now I'll just close it with the lid. I will turn off the flame. And before serving, I will garnish it with fresh coriander leaves. So that's about it, guys. My crab masala is ready. Now I'll present it to my wife and let me see what she has to say and we'll record her reaction. Are you happy with the surprise?
Very, very happy. Oh my god. I love crabs. And it's looking only so good, yaar. The masala is looking very nice and done. It's watering. The crabs are very hot to take a bite of the crabs, but I'll taste the gravy. Very nice. Did you add coconut?
Yeah.
Very nice, very nice. Wow.
Actually, I had to use dry coconut, but I use wet coconut. But it's tasting nice. I taste it.
I was about to ask if you added dry coconut.
No,
it's tasting like you put dry coconut.
No, yeah.
Wow. Too good, yeah. I wish we had neer dosa or appam with this. Wow. Amazing. But yeah, not bad with rice as well. Now this is so hot here to break.
Okay, so Marina liked it. It turned out amazing. So do let me know in the comments below how you like this recipe, how you like this video, and also let me know if there is any other crab masala recipe that I should try, and I will definitely try that next time. So till then, my name is Stan. I will see you next time. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family. Bye bye.